Good morning, students. Last class we have discussed about the cockroach, morphology of cockroach. Okay, cockroach is a vector. What is the meaning of vector? They can carry the germs. The germs not infect that carrier, but easily they can transfer the germs from person to person, cause the diseases. Okay, that is known as the vector that we have discussed in last class. Okay, last class we have discussed about the cockroach. So cockroach is a crucial animal. What is the meaning of crucial? They can run very fast. It is a cosmopolitan insects. What is the meaning of cosmopolitan? Disease causing insect. Okay, so that we have seen. Then that morphology, how many pairs, what is the head, how the head is present, everything we have discussed in the last class. Okay, you must study thorough, practice the diagram also. They will ask each and every question, they will ask in zoology. Okay, then now we are going to discuss about the differentiate between male and female cockroach. Few characters, how it is present in a male, then how it is in a female, how we can differentiate male and female cockroach. First one is the abdomen. Abdomen of male is long and narrow, then in a female is short and broad. இது லாங்காக இருக்கும், நேரோனா குறுகலாக இருக்கும். பட் இங்கே ஃபீமேல் எடுத்துட்டோம்னா எப்படி இருக்கும்? ஷார்ட்டாக இருக்கும், ப்ராடராக இருக்கும். தென் இன் a segment, in the abdomen 9 segments are visible. In the abdomen 7 segments are visible. ஏன்னா இங்கே ஃபீமேலினுடைய 7th 8th and 9th செக்மெண்ட்லாம் சேர்ந்து நமக்கு போர்ட் ஷேப்பில் இருக்கும். Okay, so 7 segments are visible, 9 segments are visible. Anal tail is present and absent. Morphology la நம்ம படிச்சோம். Then terga. 7th tergum covers 8th tergum. 7th tergum covers 8th and 9th terga. We have seen on the board shape structure, அது பார்க்கறதுக்கே ஒரே மாதிரி இருக்கும். Brood pouch. Absent is present. Antennae large in length, shorter in length. Wings extend beyond the tip of the abdomen. They extend up to the end of the abdomen. These are the difference between the male and then in the female cockroaches. Okay, you must learn thoroughly the difference between. The next, now we are going to discuss about the anatomy. What is the meaning of anatomy? Study about the internal structure is known as anatomy. Okay, internal structure. So now we are going to discuss about the number of organ and systems. What are the organ and systems are present inside the body of the cockroach? First one is the digestive system. The digestive system of cockroach consists of the alimentary canal and digestive glands. Alimentary canal அப்படினால என்னது? மவுத் டு ஆனஸ்ல இருக்கக்கூடிய அந்த பார்ட்ஸ் எல்லாத்தையும் சேர்ந்தது alimentary canal system. And digestive glands, some other glands, they can secrete the enzyme and hormones. That glands are known as the digestive glands. The alimentary canal is present in the body cavity and is divided into 3 regions. So where it is located? This is the body cavity, this is the alimentary canal from mouth to the anus. This is present inside the body. So the alimentary canal is present inside the body cavity. It is divided into 3 regions: foregut, midgut and hindgut. Foregut, midgut and hindgut. Like that it is divided into 3 regions. Okay. The foregut includes preoral cavity, mouth, pharynx and esophagus. Okay. Up to the esophagus are known as the, from here to here, up to the esophagus are known as the foregut. Okay. Then mouth, then pharynx, oral cavity. Oral nala enadhu? And the lips open பண்ணிட்டு நடுவுல திறந்தனே இருக்கும்ல, அதான் வந்து oral cavity. And the oral cavity, mouth, pharynx and esophagus. This in turn open into a sac-like structure called grap. And the esophagus, it is open into the sac-like structure. This sac-like structure is known as crap. Okay, இது esophagus. இங்கேருந்து இது என்னது? pharynx, அது ஹெட் கீழே இருக்கும். அது மவுத் ஓப்பன் பண்ணனே பக்கல் கேவிட்டி மவுத்து, அங்கேருந்து வந்தால் ஃபேரிங்ஸுக்கு அப்புறமா இது வந்து esophagus. Esophagus, it is open into a sac-like structure that is known as the crap. Okay, then this crab is used for storing the food material. It is helpful for store the food material. The crab is followed by the gizzards or proventriculus. Okay, After the crab, it is present, that is known as the hizzoid. Hizzoid, it is otherwise known as proventriculus, which has an outer layer of thick circular muscle and thick inner cuticle, forming a 6 highly chitinous plates called teeth. Inside it is present in a 5 chitinous plate, that is the teeth is present in the hizzoid. Okay, then hizzoid help in the grinding of the food particle, and the highly chitinous plate, it is look like a teeth, it is helpful to grind the food material. The next is the midgut. It is a short and narrow tube behind the hizzoid and is a glandular in nature. Gland மாதிரி இருக்கக்கூடிய nature, that is known as the midgut. hizzoidக்கு கீழ இருக்கக்கூடியது, it is the tubular gland-like structure, that is known as the midgut. At the junctional regions of the gizzard are 8 fingers-like tubular blind process called hepatic CK or enteric CK. இந்த hizzoidக்கு கீழ hindல ஒரு finger-like projections மாதிரி presence ஆயிருக்கு, that is known as the hepatic CK. Okay, so midgut is a short narrow tube behind the hizzoid and is the glandular in nature. At the end of the junction regions of the hizzoid, and the junction மாதிரி and the hizzoid பக்கத்துல ஒரு blind process இருக்கு, that is known as the, it is look like a tube like structure, it is known as hepatic CK or enteric CK. The next hindgut. The hindgut is marked by the presence of 100 to, this is known as the hindgut. So the hindgut, it is present in the nearly 100 to 150 yellow colored thin filament, that is known as the Malpighian tubules, which are helpful in the removal of the excretory product from the hemolymph. பாடியில் இருக்கக்கூடிய அந்த பாடி ஃப்ளூயிட்ஸ், அந்த ஹீமோலிம்ஃப்னு சொல்லக்கூடிய அந்த பாடி ஃப்ளூயிட்ஸ், பிளட்ல இருந்து தேவையில்லாத எக்ஸ்கிரீட்டரி ப்ராடக்டை ஃபுல்லாக அப்சர்வ் பண்ணி வெளியேற்றுறது தான் என்னது, இந்த மல்பிஜியன் டியூபியூல்ஸ். நியர்லி 100 to 150 yellow color thin filamentous structure is present in the hindgut. Then the hindgut is broader than the midgut. மிட்கட் வந்து நேரோவாக இருக்கும், ஆனால் கைன்கட் இந்த மிட்கட்டை காட்டிலும் கொஞ்சம் ப்ராடராக வந்து ப்ரெசன்ஸ் ஆகிருக்கு. இட் இஸ் டிவைடட் இன்டு இலியம், colon and rectum. The rectum opens into the anus. Okay, so through the anus, undigested waste material they can send out. Okay, other than the digestive glands of the cockroach is consists of the salivary gland. Okay, salivary gland it is present, salivary gland, and then in a glandular cells and in a hepatic CK. This is the hepatic CK, salivary glands, and then in a glandular cells are present. That 3 parts are known as the digestive glands. Okay, a pair of salivary glands is found on either side of the crab. The crab nudiya either side la a pair of salivary gland is present. ஒன்னே ஏன்னா ஒன்று a pair of salivary gland is found on the either side of the crab in the thoracic region. The glandular cells of the midgut and hepatic or gastric CK produce digestive juices. Midgutல உள்ள இந்த hepatic CK they can produce the digestive juice, that is the enzymes. It is helpful for the digestion. Okay, can you understood all of you the digestive system of cockroach? You must practice the diagram also. Okay, digestive system of cockroach, they will ask one 5-mark question. Differentiate between male and female cockroach, they will ask one 5-mark question. Okay, in zoology you must draw the diagram, so in when they have a time you must practice all the diagrams. Okay, the next can you understood all of you the digestive system? Yes. Next we are going to discuss about the respiratory system. Already we know that respiratory system, it is helpful to exchange the gases. So the respiratory system of cockroach is well developed compared with the other terrestrial insects. We can compare on the other terrestrial insect. This cockroach have a very well respiratory system. Okay, branched tubes known as trachea open through the 10 pairs of small holes called spiracles or stigmata present on the lateral side of the body. So spiracles are present on the lateral side of the body. In all the abdomens have a 10 segments. The 10 segments also it is present in the spiracles. A small pore opening. Okay, it is present on the body wall of the earthworm. It is helpful to exchange the gases. Then this is the trachea, tube-like structure. Tracheal tube is present. It is helpful to exchange the gases. Okay. So the terminal branches of tracheal tube called the tracheoles. The trachea many number of branches are that small branches of the trachea, it is otherwise known as the tracheoles. Okay, it is helpful to carry the oxygen to the entire body. Okay, then the spiracles open and close by valves regulated by the sphincter are called spiracular muscles. This spiracles, it is open and close with the help of the muscle. That muscles are known as the sphincter muscle or spiracular muscle. Each tracheole is filled with a watery fluid through which exchange of gases takes place. This is full the body cavity. So it is helpful to exchange the gases. Okay, during high muscular activity, a part of the fluid is drawn into the tissues to enable more oxygen intake and rapid diffusion. When the animal they can move, that movement, high muscular activity, this fluid from the tissues they can draw more oxygen. They can take the more oxygen with the help of the rapid diffusion process, simple diffusion process. Okay, here they have given how the air passage it is occurred. Okay, spiracle, then this spiracle into the trachea, trachea into the tracheoles, tracheoles into the tissues, oxygen enter, carbon dioxide from the tissues into the tracheoles, tracheoles into the trachea, trachea into the spiracle, they can send out in the body. Okay, this is the forward respiratory system of the cockroach. Okay, can you understood all of you? Yes, I think have you understood all of you?